بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Beginning by the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and kind. This is a smart tool from British Institute. This channel is based on knowledge. You are kindly requested to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.
Dear viewers, today we are going to talk about sneezing. A brief overview of sneezing. What makes you sneeze? Allergies. Infections. More uncommon causes. Step-by-step instructions to treat sneezing at home. Treating the underlying reasons for sneezing. So let's start the topic.
Sneeze. Word forms, plural, third person singular present tense sneezes, present participle sneezing, past tense, past participle sneezed. Verb. When you sneeze, you suddenly take in your breath and then blow it down your nose noisily without being able to stop yourself, for example because you have a cold.
A brief overview. Sneezing is your body's method of eliminating aggravations from your nose or throat. A sneeze is an incredible, compulsory removal of air. Sneezing regularly happens out of nowhere and abruptly. Another name for sneezing is sternutation. While this manifestation can be very irritating, it's anything but typically the consequence of any genuine medical condition.
What makes you sneeze? A piece of your nose's responsibility is to clean the air you inhale, ensuring it's liberated from soil and microbes. Much of the time, your nose traps this soil and microbes in bodily fluid. Your stomach then, at that point, processes the bodily fluid, which kills any possibly hurtful intruders. At times, nonetheless, soil and flotsam and jetsam can enter your nose and disturb the delicate mucus layers inside your nose and throat. At the point when these layers become aggravated, it makes you sneeze. Sneezing can be set off by an assortment of things, including allergens, infections, like the normal cold or influenza, nasal aggravations, inward breath of corticosteroids through a nasal splash, drug withdrawal.
Allergies. Allergies are an amazingly normal condition brought about by your body's reaction to unfamiliar organic entities. Under ordinary conditions, your body's invulnerable framework shields you from hurtful intruders, for example, illness-causing microorganisms. In the event that you have allergies, your body's resistant framework distinguishes regularly innocuous life forms as dangers. Sensitivities can make you wheeze when your body attempts to oust these living beings. Infections. Infections caused by viruses, for example, the basic cold and influenza, can likewise make you sneeze. There are more than 200 diverse viruses that can cause the common cold. Be that as it may, most colds are the after effect of the rhinovirus.
More uncommon causes. Other, more uncommon reasons for sneezing include injury to the nose, withdrawal from specific medications, for example, narcotic opiates, inhaling irritants, including dust and pepper, breathing cold air. Nasal sprays that have a corticosteroid in them lessen irritation in your nasal sections and reduction the recurrence of sneezing. People with allergies regularly utilize these sprays.
step-by-step instructions to treat sneezing at home. Probably the most ideal approach is to hold back from sneezing is to stay away from things that trigger you to sneeze. You can likewise simplify a few changes in your home to decrease irritants. Change the channels on your heater to keep your home's filtration framework working appropriately. On the off chance that you have pets that shed, you should think about trimming their hair or eliminating them from the home if their hide pesters you to an extreme. You can kill dust vermin on sheets and different cloths by washing them in steaming hot water, or water over 130 degrees Fahrenheit, 54.4 degrees Celsius. You may likewise choose to buy an air filtration machine to clean the air in your home. In outrageous cases, you may have to get your home checked for form spores, which might be causing your sneezing. In the event that form swarms your home, you may have to move.
Treating the underlying reasons for sneezing. If your sneezing is a result of allergies or an infection, you and your doctor can cooperate to treat the reason and resolve your sneezing. If an allergy is the cause of your sneezing, your initial step will be to stay away from known allergens. Your doctor will teach you how to perceive these allergens, so you'll know to avoid them. Over-the-counter and physician-recommended prescriptions called antihistamines are additionally accessible to soothe your side effects. Anti-allergic medications are loratadine, Claritin, cetirizine, Zyrtec, and levocetirizine, Xyzal. In the event that you have serious allergies, your primary care physician may suggest that your doctor might recommend that you receive allergy shots. Allergy shots contain the concentrates of sanitized allergens. Presenting your body to allergens in little, controlled portions helps hold your body back from responding to allergens later on. If you have an infection, such as the common cold or flu, your treatment alternatives are more restricted. Currently, no antibiotic is effective in treating the viruses that cause colds and the flu. You can use a nasal spray to relieve a congested or runny nose, or you can take an antiviral medication to speed up your recovery time if you have the flu. You ought to get a lot of rest and drink lots of fluids to help your body recover faster.
Effective medications for sneezing is levocetirizine tablet, Xyzal. Use this tablet daily or when needed.
We hope that you have learned a lot from this video. If yes, kindly like, share, and subscribe with comment. Do not forget pressing the bell icon so that you get notification of coming videos. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.